Pampanga is right here. Ang dream home ninyo can finally be a reality that you can own.
Nan Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
Hi, my name is Jessa Panlilio, your property specialist at Advantageous Land, and welcome to Ajoya Pampanga.
Yes, welcome to Where in Pampanga po. So this is actually my second time to visit Ajoya Pampanga, and the first time was in March.
Yes,
so almost
March.
5 months na po pala tayo.
Yes.
Wow. For sure, within those 5 months, ma'am, ang dami na pong development sa site natin. Kumustahan naman po natin yung progress doon?
Sir Louie, I am very excited talaga and very proud of Ajoya Pampanga. Kasi talaga namang in-demand na siya ngayon, especially sa mga taga-South and also dito sa Ajoya Pampanga. Nag-release na rin kami ng mga bagong units.
I think it's also about time na sa atin mga taga-Pampanga, mga Kapampangans, we introduce this opportunity to them. So not just looking for a home, probably an investment po, no? Kasi
Yes.
this is in the near future for sure, these kinds of properties, medyo matataas na po yung value.
It's a
di po
good
ba?
investment. Sa real estate industry naman talaga is mas mataas yung value appreciation ng mga property. That's why real estate talaga is one of the good investment. Aboya's land development in North Luzon areas where infrastructures are expected to rise, perfectly positioned to benefit from our country's infrastructure. Ajoya Pampanga is expected to enjoy higher land values within the next 10 years. As Central Luzon becomes the heart of infrastructures, our Ajoya Pampanga made great investment for people that are looking for residential land outside the metro but still want to keep very accessible to the central business district. There is also a master plan with great details input into open spaces, the green belts, amenities, pocket parks for the community. And they are provided with town plaza to cater to the community's need. Ajoya is a perfect setting for either your investment or your family's roots to grow in. Ajoya Pampanga is a smooth 1 hour away ride from Quezon City, making it safe choice for investor looking for residential lots that is not too far from the metro, and it's a great mile bound between Metro Manila and the future mega city, which is the new Clark City, and also the North-South Commuter Railway will also start making travel from Central Luzon to South Luzon faster and more efficient. Since we launched in 2019, Ajoya Pampanga value has risen from 9,000 square meter to 13,600 square meter today, increasing by 52.31% in value appreciation in just 2 years. Welcome ulit dito sa Ajoya Pampanga,
Yes,
and
yes.
I am more excited today kasi if you remember before, wala pa tayong makikita dito
Yes,
sa
I
site.
remember.
Like construction ng mga model units, wala pa kasi Ajoya Pampanga is still on pre-selling phase. And today, I am very excited kasi may maipapakita na tayo sa mga viewers natin.
Exactly.
Sir Louie, in this area is the location of the town plaza where the shop houses are located. For commercial space and residential, those unit has 3 floors. The first floor is for the commercial space and the second and third floor are the residentials. Those are only 28 units. Yung mga homeowners natin in the future dito sa Ajoya Pampanga, hindi na nila kailangan lumayo pa kasi dito pa lang sa may area na to is magkakaroon na tayo ng mga commercial space.
One-stop shop for everyone, kumbaga.
Yes. In this area, magkakaroon na rin tayo ng mini site office dito sa Ajoya Pampanga for a more convenient transactions during the site tripping. Sir Louie, as you can see, these are the ongoing constructions of the model unit. For the single attached, we have the 2-bedroom unit, the 3-bedroom unit, and also the 4-bedroom unit. And for the single detached unit, we have the 5-bedroom unit. We also offer lots only here at the Ajoya Pampanga. The estimated price for the house and lot is 3 million to 5 million, and the lowest monthly for the house and lot is 16,000 pesos only. And for the lot only, the price range is 2.5 to 3 million, and the lowest monthly for the lot only is 11,000 pesos. The advantages of the Ajoya Pampanga is the location. Napakalapit lang na location natin sa North Luzon Expressway. And isa sa mga nagugustuhan ng mga clients natin dito sa Ajoya, Pampanga is the scenic view dito sa Ajoya, Pampanga. Like we have the Bataan, Zambales Mountains view, and may mga units naman na ang view nila is the Mount Arayat. For inquiries, sample computation, Zoom presentations, and site tripping schedule, you may contact me at this number is 0926 571 4898. And you can also send me a message on my personal Facebook page. It's Ajoya Pampanga by Chesa Panilio. Thank you, and I'm looking forward in assisting you.
Each Ajoya community is strategically located in bustling high-growth areas like Cebu, Nueva Ecija, and Tarlac. As these cities continue to progress, your Ajoya home continues to increase in value. This is what you can get in our newest Ajoya community yet. Welcome to Ajoya Pampanga. Ajoya Pampanga is a gated community located 35 kilometers away from New Clark City, which is destined to be the country's next mega metropolis with industrial zones, central business districts, malls, schools, and even its own international airport. That makes living in Ajoya Pampanga a very wise investment. So come home to Ajoya Pampanga. Here, there are more types of residential units to choose from, each one sure to make you feel more of the hominess, warmth, and privacy that you truly deserve. And there's even more to experience and enjoy when you step out of your home with wonderful amenities. You'll also be happy to know that a generous portion of Ajoya Pampanga is dedicated to green open space. Relax and breathe in the fresh air along the green belts. Or have a picnic and enjoy playtime in the pocket parks. More freedom, more peace of mind, more community. These are what you can expect from Ajoya Pampanga. So go ahead, hope higher hopes, dream bigger dreams. Because at Ajoya Pampanga, there's more to live for.